After the Civil War, there was one black group that made it their mission to help rebuild the country. They're known as the Buffalo Soldiers, and they're still around today. As we continue our Black History Month coverage, 23 ABC's Brianna Willis joins us live in studio. She spoke with the Kern County chapter of the Buffalo Soldiers about their work and why they're still an integral part of history today. Brianna.
Mark, it was in 1866 when Congress passed legislation that allowed African Americans to enlist in the country's regular peacetime military, creating the Buffalo Soldiers. And now their work is still serving our Kern County community.
Cannot talk about history of the United States without talking about the contributions of Buffalo Soldiers.
From Sequoia National Park to Yosemite, the Buffalo Soldiers made it their duty to not only fight for our nation, but to protect and create spaces for everyone.
Buffalo Soldiers are a part of American history because they fought in every war that the United States has experienced, from the War of 1812, Revolution, and then Civil War, and then also in today's 21st century, you still have African Americans that are part of the military.
Lieutenant General of the Kern County Buffalo Soldiers, Dee Slade, got involved with the soldiers in 1994. She says for her family, joining the military was one way to be free.
It viewed for them freedom from slavery. So that is why you see, even today, a lot of our African American men and women go into the service. They go into it with pride, representing a country that really didn't love their ancestors.
And after the Emancipation Proclamation, when newly free families started to move, Brigadier General Charles Everly with the Kern County chapter says they relied on the soldiers to help.
They needed someone to protect them. They needed someone to build the railroads and do whatever needed to be done. Found national parks, whatever needed to be done. They needed law and they needed order. They needed disciplined people to do that. And so the Buffalo Soldiers were part of the westward movement.
Slade adds during that time, there wasn't much they didn't do for the nation to reassemble.
They were the Postal Service. Remember, the Civil War, everything was destroyed. So you had them creating the policing, the sheriff. They were the telegraph, which was communication. They strung the lines, they did the railroad tracks, they did the mail, Pony Express, the stagecoach. They did a lot in rebuilding this country.
Today, the Kern County chapter continues that legacy with education and ensuring that history is not forgotten.
To give people hope and let people know that people just like them, you know, have accomplished great things. And for some people that turns a light on. It's not just me, you know, there's other people. The people that came before you. And when you understand history and your place in it, it propels you to be successful in life.
The Kern County chapter has Buffalo Soldier training and orientation coming up next month, and Slade tells me their training is similar to the military to continue that legacy of those that came before them. In studio, Brianna Willis, 23 ABC News, connecting you.